Hello aspirants, welcome to Veranda IAS YouTube channel. In yesterday's video, we have discussed about 10 basic terms before going through budget. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about interim budget. What is interim budget? We all know that the Lok Sabha election 2024 is on the way. An interim budget is also known as a vote on account, is a financial statement presented by the government when the general elections are due and a new government is about to come into power. There are no constitutional provisions exist. This interim budget outlines the anticipated receipts and expenditures until the new government is formed, that means a couple of months. There are no constitutional provisions exist to present the interim budget. What are the highlights? It will be passed without discussion in Lok Sabha, but the normal, that is full budget, will be passed with discussion in Lok Sabha. There will be no detailing in this budget. There will be no new policies and new taxes. This is a limitation issued by the Election Commission of India to not to influence voters by the ruling party. What is vote on account? A vote on account is a type of interim budget which is presented by the government to seek parliamentary approval for essential government expenditures for a limited period, such as salaries for central government staffs, ongoing projects, etc. Why this is done? This is done to keep the government function smoothly until a comprehensive budget can be prepared and approved. As per Finance Minister's statement, this year will be vote on account rather than interim budget. Though the vote on account and interim budget are interchangeably used, the interim budget contains both revenue and expenditure details for the period until the new government take over. Vote on account includes only the government's expenditure. Upon presenting the budget, our current Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam will become the first woman Finance Minister to present 6 budgets including an interim budget. Former Prime Minister Morarji Desai holds the record for presenting maximum number of budgets, that is 10 in total. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Veranda IAS YouTube channel.